Nothing boy.
Where are we going? To the airplane. We're going to Florida. Yeah, so excited, huh? You ready to see the big airplane? Yeah. Who we getting on the airplane with, Papa? Yeah, brother number 2, big brother number 1.
He's angry.
Yay! And then daddy and mommy. The airport. Not too busy. No. Ready to get on the airplane? You ready to get on the airplane? Smile. You gotta smile. No. Let's go to the airplane. Oh. Are you excited you're on the plane? You gonna wave, Papa? You wanna wave to your friends? You not gonna wave to your friends? You excited? I know you're so excited. I'm glad he didn't hit you. Stevie B's Pizza Buffet. Do 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 do. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh. You okay? How about say hi? Hi. What are you doing? Are you playing? You want to go play? Okay, go. Hey, King. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Say hi, Hanky. Oh, he's sad. Who's it? Oh. What's your name?
Liliana.
Liliana. That's a pretty name. How old are you?
8.
8. Are you gonna go play?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm gonna record you, okay?
Okay.
Hi. How do you know Kai Kai?
Kai Kai is my cousin,
Yeah. What's your name?
Cornelia.
How old are you?
12.
Yeah. So this is Cornelia, and this is Lily, and they're all cousins. Kai Kai's cousin.
Hey, what's the play for in the morning?
And that's his Uncle Rico.
Domingo.
Say hi. Are you here with Kai Kai?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Here.
Here. Where's here? Stevie B. Stevie B. Go, 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 go! Come on! Go, 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 go! Go, Kai Kai, go! Go, Kai Kai, go! You're winning! You're
Listen, we
Oh,
do it all the
229 to 22. Oh, you lost.
No. Good job.
Oh, you got tickets. Oh, yay. Good job. Okay, what do you want to play?
Hey, want to do it again?
Oh, almost. That was it?
Yeah, either that one over there, one side, 100 tickets.
Where?
Smell machine, right?
Do another one. I'm going to record it.
Let me go.
Oh, she don't want to do it. How many tickets did you get? 30. Nice. Mother number one. Ha ha ha. Let's see how many tickets are you going to win today. All right, let's go.
So we have
Oh my goodness, only
I was
four
trying to aim for the
tickets.
250.
Oh my God. All right, let's try again. Let's try again.
Right there. You just stop it at the right time.
Whatever it's gonna stick. Where's the aim? Green? Oh yeah. You have to follow that.
Oh my goodness, 8 tickets. Wah, wah, wah. You driving with your cousin? Oh my gosh, are you gonna win?
Go this way.
It's your last lap. Is it y'all in first place or last? Oh, y'all in 8th place. Go, go. You're almost at the finish line. Oh, that was broken. It's broken.
You're winning.
I think that's it. They made that
I'm not gonna take that risk of killing myself. I can't drive now, and I'm not trying to be like, I'm not trying to get my license.
How many tickets you think we have? 5? That's it? Okay, let's see.
You said 140?
Need help, sweetheart?
400?
Oh, I
Okay, you want the finger worm? How much is that? What is that? Oh, that's $3.50. Huh?
That one.
Okay, 2 of the yellow nerds. That's 70. I mean, 65 or 65. You want a ball?
No.
We got that one already. 2 green balls. He got the nerds already.
Oh, Dad, we could get a lot of pictures.
Just get the rest of it. Get the yo-yo.
I mean, it's the swinging.
I got one.
Come on, here.
Mom, did I get a basketball?
The flower, heart, triangle, circle. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you know, I'm sorry. Just do the ball.
What color you want? You can do that right there with your hand on.
Oh, I don't know.
That's it, right there. Yep, just grab. There you go.
You got 180 left. Okay.
I want this. It doesn't work as good as the other one.
You want a ball? No, he can't get that. I'm scared he might run in front of a car or something. Tasty.
No.
That's what happens with him.
How about some lips? They whistle. Whistle. And it whistles.
Interesting.
You don't want it.